Hi guys, I am Soil Sheikh. You are watching us Freedom Faith channel. Now we are going to Freedom Faith Trust. Now, guys, we will meet founder of this Freedom Faith Trust channels. His name is Brian. He's very outstanding man, literally outstanding. He will make very innovative person. He will maintain all these things in that very well manner. You will see. We are going into his office right now, so we will meet him. Okay, guys. This is his office, Brian's office. You will see this office. Yeah, it's a Freedom Faith office. Inside office, Brian is present. I think he is present right now. Okay, he's present inside the office. Yeah. Guys, you will see Freedom Faith board, contact number, Nixon, Melbourne and branch. If you want to know about this channel and as well as this Freedom Faith NGOs, you can contact Brian directly. What you inspired?
My inspiration is that basically I've been gone through whatever I've been through in life, and today I just thought of opening up something like this. असं काहीतरी घडायचं तर मी विचार केलेला की खूप सारी जागा अशी आहेत की ह्या अशासारखे मुलांना देऊ नाही शकत. We can't keep people like this type in those places because they can't afford it. So I opened up a place here in 2008, and decided to come to this village called Karao, a beautiful village. There are beautiful people around, and they are very helpful. They're cooperative. Last 11-12 years, almost 14 years, I have not had any problems. And so I opened this place here, having a small place. The people from the village.
What is the reason exactly? What is the reason why you opened this place?
Yeah, I opened this place because there is no other place like us where they can learn something, that I have the freedom to live the way they want. And people are come from different parts of life and different parts of the state in India. So these people can't afford to go and be in some other place because they don't get the facilities what we have. And the other places all around India, okay, where I can challenge anybody to tell us if there is a place like this, and where they are free, without doors, without locks,
These guys notice that.
Yeah, and we don't torture anybody, The food is good. We got some therapies which we normally do. You'll come to know in the video later on what all we do. We've got an art room, we've got a music room, we've got a dormitory, we've got a kitchen, we've got a storeroom, we've got a dining hall, we've got a dormitory where people have their own beds. Other places they don't have beds. They sleep on the ground with rolling their mattress every day in the night and in the morning, and in the night again they have to come and put it back. And some places they are only around like one gunta place where there are around 50 people. We have got 1 acre place and we've got only 30 people, and and people from all walks of life, which is addicted to alcohol, drugs, and halfway home people. People who are handicapped also, we keep them. We get them from the streets, try to rehabilitate them, give them a good life. People are educated, they are also there. You'll come to know the stories of the people who are here, what they learn and what they become in life, and how they find this place. So it's great, it's good because one thing is there that this is a spiritual program. Okay, we normally in Marathi we say तीन भागात हमारा ध्यान द्यायचं असते, आध्यात्मिक, शारीरिक आणि मानसिक. That is spiritual, physical and mental. So we take care of these three things in this place, where we try to help them to grow, where they don't have a chance when they are drinking alcohol or drugs or taking drugs. They are shattered in these three places.
Okay.
And according to that, they build up their life and they come with the common people in the world, and they can stay free from drugs and alcohol.
So now we will see one by one what you say. There are music room, art room, how they will recover, what therapy you will do in that. Okay?
Yeah, so you
by
can
one.
One by one.
As well as we will see persons also, many persons.
Yeah, many people, exactly. Yeah.
Okay, guys. One, this place.
All the
Okay?
best. Yeah.
There are the people, they are playing the volleyball. It's a kitchen. There is a Nexon. He's a secretary of this Freedom Fest. Yes, Nexon. Hi, how are you, Nexon?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. Tell me about yourself. So,
Nothing.
what is this?
I am staying in this rehabilitation center, which is called Freedom Faith,
Yeah.
and I'm here for the past 5.5 years.
Oh,
And it has been 5.5 years that from the help I'm receiving from this center, that I gave up drugs.
okay.
So drugs, alcohol, tablets, and so many other. I had a lot of addiction problems.
Yo, MG. Then how you recover here?
Yeah, we follow a program over here,
Okay.
which helps us change our thinking and personality.
Okay.
So that is helping us to deal with a lot of things like negative thoughts coming in our mind.
Hmm.
So that keeps us. We are busy the whole day,
Hmm.
which is very important for the mind.
Okay.
And if the mind is busy, then it will not want drugs or any other substance. So otherwise, I have no problems with the program that we follow over here.
Okay.
Even the boys that are staying over here, you've seen the other boys like
Yes,
Monish
yes.
and so many other boys are there.
Okay.
They are all come here because of the addiction problem.
They are from same state or other state or out of country?
All of them actually, basically we are people from Maharashtra only.
Okay.
But I'm from Goa.
Okay.
And there are people from Chiplun and
Yeah.
Ratnagiri.
Okay.
Even coming from Rajasthan.
Okay.
Then last time we had a boy who was from Nepal.
Okay.
So we are getting different type of.
How much
members,
time he
patients.
take for recovery?
Here it is. We must stay 90 days.
Okay.
90 days is the minimum stay.
Minimum
for the
stay.
program,
Okay.
For the mind and body to get little fresh.
Okay. So we will see one by one person.
Yeah. If you
Mehboob
want to-
and all.
Yeah, Mehboob is there.
Yeah.
He's also in recovery only.
Okay.
He's almost now 3 to 4 years.
Okay.
He's staying with us.
Okay. So we will see. So guys, we will meet him. Guys, we will see. There are the peoples. They are coming here for recovery purpose. You can see they are spending their time here. You can see. You can see. Hi. How are you? This is a DJ room. You will see. Freedom's DJ room. You will see here. You see each and all things here for recovery purpose. Guys, very fast place. We will meet now. महबूब is guys. We will meet महबूब. देखते हैं अभी महबूब से बात करके वो कैसे रिकवर हो गए यहाँ पे. तो महबूब बता दीजिए आपके बारे में. आप यहाँ पे कब आए, कैसे, तो आपका क्या क्या था, किस तरह से आप रिकवर हो गए यहाँ पे.
क्या आया था मुझे 2013 में आया था मैं.
ओके.
और यहाँ पे आके मुझे कुछ 6 साल होने को आया.
हाँ.
और मैं पहले बहुत नशा करता था.
ओके.
नशे के लिए मैं भीख मांगता था. तो मेरे घर वाले है कि मुझे नहीं पूछते थे क्योंकि मैं नशा करता था और लोगों को तकलीफ देता था. मतलब इतनी भी तकलीफ नहीं देता था क्योंकि मेरे नशे के कारण मुझ लोग को तकलीफ होती थी. तो उसके लिए मैं 3 साल 5 साल घर पे नहीं जाता था. तो वो लोग मेरे को नहीं पूछते थे क्योंकि मेरे मम्मी डैडी भी और मेरे मम्मी डैडी का उनके का हो गया 8-10 साल हो गया उनको मर के. तो मुझे यहाँ पे लाया गया है. तो मुझे अपने भाई की तरह अपने मतलब मेरा फैमिली में संभाला जाता है. मतलब मुझे संभालते इधर के लोग.
ओके.
भाई लोग जो है.
ओके.
और मुझे घर में बहुत प्यार मिलता है.
ओके.
और मुझे घर में बहुत मतलब जाने की इच्छा नहीं होती.
अच्छा, घर जाने की अभी इच्छा नहीं हो रही, बट आप नशे से पूरा छोड़ चुके हो नशा.
पूरा छोड़ चुका हूँ. आता था कभी दिमाग में थॉट आता है मतलब
ओके.
जब त्योहार आता है या
हाँ.
कुछ ईद आता है
हाँ.
तो जब भी थॉट आता है.
ओके. तब आपको थॉट आता है ईद आने के, कोई त्योहार आने के, नशे का थॉट आता है, बट आप यहाँ पे रहने की वजह से आपको पूरा भूल जाते हो.
पूरा भूल जाता है.
ओके गाइस, सी
और
हाउ ही रिकवर.
ये जो अपने जो ब्राह्म भाई है
हाँ.
वो मेरे को भी इतना भाई से ज्यादा मोहब्बत करते हैं.
ओके ब्रायन.
मैं जब भी कुछ मांगता हूँ
Okay.
छोटी छोटी चीज के लिए कभी मुझे
मना नहीं करते।
और
See guys, what Brian helps people right now. It's really social work, not money making works. Okay. So महबूब भाई, तो हम अभी देखते हैं आपके यहाँ का आगे का अंदर का सभी चीजें. Okay. So आपसे मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा. Thank you. So guys, now we will meet Monish bhai. So hi Monish, how are you?
Very well.
So how you recover here? How you feel like? Actually, how you feel? So
What I had in mind is going to a rehab would be some kind of pain. I mean, I will be stuck to the bed and not go anywhere. But as you see in the video, and you see the place around. The place is very open. We have the liberty to walk around, play. Right now, we are standing on the volleyball field. Every day we play volleyball. We have tournaments.
when you come here,
I've come here like 6 months back.
okay. So what is the condition that time?
When I came here, I was undergoing a very bad phase. I had some deaths in my family, one after the
Yeah.
other.
Can I
And,
little bit know
I
more?
expired, my mom expired.
Okay.
And, I'm the only son.
Okay.
And the entire house was to myself.
Okay.
And the only option I had was, according to me, was having drinks and going off to sleep. So I was like kind of very broken up.
Okay.
So that's how I used to drink, but that was like when you party or you go outside or some function. But then at that time, during that period, I started drinking every day.
Oh.
The day, night time, it came to the afternoon, what to do in the afternoon. That was. I was not working at that point of time because I was suffering from a disease called Guillain-Barré syndrome. So I was waist down paralyzed.
Oh.
So I am lucky enough to have come to such a place, and now I am able to walk, play, and I am away from alcohol.
Okay. Guys, you see, he recovered his only in 6 months.
Yes, I'm feeling very proud that I'm in fact.
Yes, this credit goes to this man, only this man. He's the
Brian was
brand.
very helpful.
Okay, these stories goes to this brand. So now, guys, we will see music room as well as kitchen. Guys, yeah, you are meeting in Melbourne. Hi, Melbourne. How are you?
Hi, fine.
So now you will see her.
Yeah, I'll take it over here.
Okay.
This is all done by one brother called Brett.
Okay.
These are chilies. Then we've got.
Can I go inside?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you can see tomatoes. Okay. Wow.
This is a project that we're doing called aquaponics.
Okay.
Which, like, we have a pond with fish in this.
Okay, there is a
Water-
cabbage, carrot, as well as cucumber. Okay. Okay, it's a chilies plant. Okay. So green peas,
Brinjals.
brinjals,
Then this is a vegetable called turai.
right. Like now it's dark right now. So we will see very fast, right? With Melbourne, we will go and see music room as well as kitchen, and there is environment art room as well as. So we will move right now. We'll see Melbourne's room. Yeah, we are entering Melbourne's room. So this is Melbourne's room. How he make this thing. These are done by Melbourne on tiles, color on tiles. Piano. Now it's making CD. See, there is a guitar also for entertaining calls. You will see here all that things made by raw material as well as waste material. Now, Elvan, tell me one thing: how you recover here, as well as when you come here. And
I came here exactly 19 months ago.
okay, you can sit.
I came here 19 months ago.
Okay.
And I'm a professional musician. And I was in Goa playing with a very good band in a very good place.
Okay.
And my drinking got out of control.
Okay.
Drinking got so out of control that my wife and 2 daughters decided to leave me.
Okay.
And that's only when I realized that I have a problem with my drink. You know?
Okay.
That's when I realized that I actually have a problem.
Okay.
And I had to do something about myself. So that's when I came here.
Okay.
Because I know Brian for many years as a childhood friend with me.
Okay.
And And it's only by God's grace that somebody told me that Brian is running a place like this.
Yes.
When I came here,
Huh?
we have a 12-step program where I started working the program. You know?
Okay.
And it's only then that I realized that first you have to get back to God. God, I just sidelined for my life. So I had to get in touch with God first. Once I got in touch with God, now it doesn't matter whether, you know, there is forgiveness from anybody towards me. Because I know that by working the 12-step program, which is a contact with God, I know that God has already forgiven me. And when given time, that I improve, there will be a reunion again. That's my faith and belief.
Okay. So guys, you see what he said. So we will move right now. So now we will see kitchen. It's a thought. Don't forget that first day in the freedom. Okay. It's such a nice place, guys. Seriously, it's a very nice place. If you come here first time, now then after that you will never go outside. So yeah, so we are moving to kitchen right now. Okay, you see, it's a kitchen. Dining room. There is a internet. There is a TV for entertaining. You will see here many people are there. Hi guys, how are you? You will see. Okay, so we will move. So we will enter into Nixon's art room. So you will see here, Nixon. Please introduce each and everything. Who make this and how make this?
Yes, we are making
What
this
is
of waste.
Okay.
Everything is waste, like bottles,
Yeah.
this 7-Up bottles,
Okay.
these are shells, then these are ropes which
Yeah.
are used,
Yeah.
everything. Oil tins are used.
Okay.
Then these, sometimes some people throw these razors.
Yeah.
Then this is made of razors.
Okay. Shaving razor.
Yeah. Then this is made of spoons.
Oh. Such a nice place, guys. See how he make this thing.
Everything over here is made from waste only.
Okay.
These are spoons also,
Okay.
shells.
It's a plastic spoon. You will see, guys.
This is sometimes some people drink wine.
It's a wine bottle. He makes
bottle
very
is made.
beautifully. See here.
Yeah.
These things. Okay.
Everything is from wood.
So wood,
These are
fruit,
plastic
as well as a
glasses.
plastic glass and all. This is a bowl. This make and paint. This is a wine antiquity bottles also you
This is an
see.
antiquity bottle, and this is a
After
shell.
recovering he make this thing.
This is of the dog. This is the bone.
Oh, it's
Of the
dog
dog.
bone.
Here you have
Yeah, upside you will see it's mass, I think.
of the buffalo.
Buffalo's head.
Yeah.
See, but how he looks like, it's very horror right now. Yeah.
This is a sari. Ladies are wearing sari.
Yeah.
That is made of the sari.
Okay.
This is a distillery can. Lampshade.
Oh, such a cool thing, guys. You will see. It's made by the Bisleri can's head.
This is also keep the vegetable basket.
Yeah.
And this is water tank.
So water tank. Inside the water there are many fish. We'll see. This is also made.
All these are
Okay.
made from waste. This is broom. This toilet broom.
Oh, wow.
And this also all bulk.
Okay. This is candies.
Yeah. These are the sofa spring.
Yeah. See. Okay, this is made by the shells and
These are all the paintings. what we
painting.
do.
Who make this painting? Nixon?
I do.
Okay. All paintings made by Nixon's. Hi Nixon. Thank you, Nixon.
You're most welcome.
Yeah. We will see.
Yeah, actually we'll meet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
So guys, bye.
Bye.
Now we are entering Brian's room. Yeah. Yeah, now we are entering into Brian's room. This is how he make his room. Yes. Hi.
Hi.
So, man, I meet with Mehboob as well as many people I meet.
Yeah,
The vegetables room I see, art room I see, Nixon
Yeah,
show me.
very good.
So what you give message to buddies.
The messages just go simple, you know. Just do what is saying, what is right. Okay, just stay away from drugs and alcohol. And if you want to have a better place, freedom is a better place, which gives you freedom with food, accommodation, and counseling. And they stay away from drugs and alcohol. This is the only message I can give to you. You know.
Okay,
Yeah.
guys, listen.
Yeah.
If you want to know about more, so you can contact these persons.
Yeah.
Is a Brian. So I will mention this in comment section. Contact number. You can directly contact to Brian. Okay, we'll see if you like this video. Like it, subscribe it, and share it.